Thanks for tuning in to another video. Here I am. Just hit the 1,000 miles on the bike, and I wanted to show you guys an update of a walk around on the Lowrider S. Now it's complete. I did mention that I might think about doing the risers, and I did. So that's what's new, and the filter, that's what's new. So yep, now you guys gonna see this video and you guys gonna be like, what, another one? Didn't you already do my Lowrider S video? And yes, I already did, but at the time I wasn't I was thinking about, you know, the risers, and just like on all my other videos that I've spoken about the risers. The reason why I didn't want to install risers on this one was I just wasn't sure about me being able to reach the risers. So that's one of the reasons why I kept it. And you know, 5-inch rise, it's pretty good. So here we are. We're gonna be putting away the drone here, and as you can see, I guess I wanted to record this little footage here. I know this is you know, but I would like to expand my videos, probably do some footage with this, you know, probably do group rides, and probably see if I could get some good shots with the drone. So that's why. And it's a little hobby of mine, you know, riding the bike is a hobby. Now I have another hobby to go with this hobby. So here's the Fly More pack right here, and look at this, it's made for the Saddlemen saddlebags, and there it is. You can put all your other equipment, all your other gear here. It fits, it's perfect. She's well protected. Saddlebags won't go anywhere unless you crash it, and even then, this is some strong material. But this isn't the video about the leather pro Saddlemen. Saddlemen's the C. This is the leather pros. But this is a video of of the bike. That's right. And let's go ahead and put down my other camera down over here, so you guys can get a hear of the engine. Let's get a nice close up right there. You guys can hear that amazing 2-into-1 Cobra exhaust. So this is my Lowrider S. This is a walk around update on it, and with the startup. Here, let's go ahead and start her up. You guys can listen to it before I start babbling about the bike again. So there it is, 1,000 miles. We are going to go ahead and start her up, and that's what she sounds. Looks like somebody's practicing over here. That's what she sounds like. That is the Cobra exhaust, 2-into-1, and I'll probably be doing some voiceover on the bike too. So you guys got to hear her start up. Let's go ahead and take her out for a spin and talk about the bike. Man, there's so much stuff to say. There's so much stuff to talk about. Where to start? Everything kind of still the same from the other video. You have the Memphis shade World Warrior fairing. We have the 11-inch dark black smoke, Plex audio, Memphis shades hand guards, Harley-Davidson engine guard. We have the Flo-Motorsport pegs. We also have a tuner on the bike, Screaming Eagle, and the auxiliary lights, fog lights. We have this Harley-Davidson stock rocker switch housing, pretty expensive. We have the Leather Pros saddlebags, quick detach, Saddlemen step-up seat, tuck and roll in the front, diamond stitch on the back. That's what TR stands for. And we have the alloy art signal lights, just because it looks better. What else do we have? We have the Trask. Like I mentioned in the other video, this reminds me of an old school shaker hood on one of those muscle cars. You know, the carburetor sticks out out of the hood of the engine. That's what that reminds me of. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, boy. And we have the Biltwell grips. These are very good grips, very comfortable grips. I'm going to be doing a review on all this stuff. 1,000 mile review. We have the Kraus risers, 10-inch with the 1.5-inch kickback, Plex audio, and my favorite mounting system, the RAM cell phone mount, and I also have one for my GoPro. So there she is. This is basically the final form. This is Frieza's final form on the bike. You know, whenever you see that character from Dragon Ball Z, he takes like 3 or 4 different forms. This is the final form here. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for the second time. Thank you guys. You guys stay safe. Be careful out there with everything that's going on. Later.